Experienced different weird things that are unexplainable.
Got pushed from behind, and there was nobody there.
We went back in, opened the door, no one was there.
I'm Mary.
I'm Fred.
And we are here at Jimmy's Old Town Tavern listening to ghost stories.
We have a ghost named
What's it-
Walter. The history is upstairs used to be an apartment, and there was a couple of deaths up there. Here at Jimmy's, we've experienced different weird things that are unexplainable, so we always blame Walter. Years ago, we did have some ghost chasers come in with their camera equipment, and we all saw through the camera the orb floating around, swimming around 2 or 3 times that night.
During the pandemic, when we were closed down and we were renovating this side, former manager Katina was here, and her and I were standing right here, and we were just, pointing and talking, and all of a sudden I got pushed from behind, and there was nobody there. Nobody there. And that was the first day I was like, okay, Walter's real.
I was here closing the bar one night, me and a co-worker, we were walking out the front door, and we look over and we're like, is there someone sitting inside the bar? Did you see that? She was like, yeah, but I wasn't gonna say anything. I was like, I saw it, well, let's go back in and look. So we went back in, opened the door, no one was there. And I was like, all right, let's just go.